Welcome, explorers. I'm Mrs. John. Oh, hello, Pocky. Do you have an egg for me today? Thank you, Pocky. What's inside? Oh, it's an Iwako eraser that looks like a little pig. How cute. Oh, it's a cute little tail. What does a pig say? Let's open up this Wipe Clean Playbook Farm. And we've done all these different pages, and now we're on the last page. Alright, so let's get our little pen out. And let's see here, it says draw these shapes. A square. Square is the first one. A rectangle. A triangle. And a circle. So we have a square, a rectangle, a triangle, and a circle. I'm going to draw the rectangle the other way. There. Okay. Draw a shape you like. I like a circle. Draw shapes to make a tractor picture. It looks like there's a tractor there, so let's draw two circles for the tires. Then we'll draw a rectangle for the body. Then we'll draw a square here, a square here, and a rectangle here, and a rectangle here. And now we have a tractor that looks like that one. Do you know what a tractor says? Vroom, 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 vroom. The big red tractor is very useful. It does all kinds of jobs on Red Barn Farm. Clever tractor. Now we're supposed to find two circles. Can you find two circles in this picture? Here's a circle. And here's a circle. How many triangles? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, are we counting their little beaks too? 9, 10, 11, 12. Oh, and we have these purple and pink. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. 28 triangles. That is a lot of triangles on this page. So there we have it. Oh, look at this doghouse. I'm guessing that's probably a doghouse. It has a triangle for the roof and a rectangle for the main part of the house, and then a square for the door. So yeah, we have all different shapes, and now we are done with this book, the shapes and sizes, and that was fun. There's a triangle, an oval, a rectangle, a circle, and a square. Did you find my baby chick hiding in this video? Subscribe to my channel for new videos every weekday and Saturdays at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Thank you for visiting me in my kitchen today. Please come back soon. Please press the like button below this video.
Have a lovely day.